Carry self-charging light wherever you go with BioLite Sunlight. A compact solar light that provides bright and colorful lighting and freedom from rationing your batteries and energy. Featuring a pocket-friendly version of BioLite's optimal sun system, a 360 kickstand and analog sundial enable the integrated panel to find direct rays for maximum recharging. An additional micro USB in allows you to fill up in a pinch. Access quick and easy utility lighting with the dimmable white and red night vision. Or liven up your space with a variety of colors in party mode. With IPX4 water resistance, the Sunlight is ready for life outside, rain or shine. Use your days to light up your nights with the BioLite Sunlight.
Hi, I'm Johan from Primus, and this is our new 2-burner stove, Kinjia. We wanted to make a 2-burner stove that is more portable and easy to carry along than the conventional 2-burner stoves. Kinjia is made in really solid materials. It has sides of die-cast aluminum. It's steel construction, powder coated, and it has details in oak and brass, materials that will age with pride. To get the stove started, just undo the hose with the regulator from underneath the stove. Attach the gas canister. Kinjia runs on lightweight backpacking canisters, and the North American version runs on 16.4 ounce propane cylinders. To start the stove, just flip the handle. This unlocks the lid and open it. During transportation, the griddle is facing downwards, so we'll flip that back up. To light the stove, get a lighter. Open the valve, approximately 1 turn. And make sure to have a lighter that works. The regulator makes sure that you have a consistent power output throughout the lifespan of the canister. Kinjia is really easy to clean. You remove the griddle, and you can also remove the drip tray. The drip tray is in stainless steel, which makes it easy to clean. You can put it in your dishwasher when you come home. As you can see, it also has a slightly slanted angle. This makes sure that all the grease and stuff goes into this direction and stays there, rather than going into the burners. Before dismantling and packing up the stove, make sure that it has time to cool off. That's Kinjia. Make sure to check out the rest of the campfire range, and happy cooking!
When assembled, the Helinox logo should face you correctly. The stool's legs that are closest to you, they should be on the outside of the frame. When the frame does not fully assemble, separate the top seat frame from the legs. Cross over the legs and rubber feet in the other direction. Then assemble the legs to the seat frame. When the skin is turned inside out, have the top of the chair seat facing the floor. Separate each pair of legs from the seat frame and cross over the legs and rubber feet in the other direction. Facing the logo, hold the main frame and lift upwards. Looking at the Helinox logo, the stool's legs that are closest to you, they should be on the outside of the frame.
Hey everyone, Alex here with the Titan 36 can welded cooler, and I'm here to show you how amazing this beast of a cooler really is. It's leak proof, waterproof, and airtight, and its cold keeping performance will amaze you. That's the sound of air being expelled through the pressure release valve, which, along with this heavy-duty latch and freezer-grade gasket, create a leak-proof, waterproof, and airtight seal. Nothing gets in or out of this technological marvel. Engineered with our high-performance deep freeze insulation with super foam and radiant heat barrier, your contents will stay ice cold for days. Our rugged Titan cooler has a heavy-duty welded, no-seam exterior, which makes it impenetrable by water, mud, or anything Mother Nature can throw at it. Inside the leak-proof hardliner, we've included a smart shelf so that you can store softer items apart from the heavy drinks and icy water below. Both the hardliner and smart shelf have built-in microban technology to help protect against bacterial odors and stains. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Introducing the Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Portable, rechargeable batteries for powering your adventures and keeping you safe in emergencies. The Titan and Titan XL are silent and eco-friendly power solutions for use in any situation where you might need power. The more compact Titan features a battery equipped with 224 watt-hours of power, while the Titan XL has double the capacity with its 500 watt-hour battery. Both models are easily capable of powering your mobile devices, CPAPs, computers, and small appliances, so you can be prepared for the unexpected, whether you're at home or on the road. The Titan and Titan XL both feature a 12-volt car port, a USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and an AC outlet for powering your devices. You can recharge your Titan using USB-C or with the included wall adapter. And you can recharge anywhere from your home to your car and even outdoors with a solar panel. Both models are constructed with a durable aluminum body with rubberized corners for extra protection. They have a handling strap for easy portability, and the larger Titan XL can be worn over the shoulder with a shoulder strap. The Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Compact, portable, and powerful, giving you power where you need it most.